Hello everyone. We are now into part 4 of solving the question paper December 2024 Business Mathematics and Statistics meant for CMA Foundation. 15th question. Here it says if alpha and beta be the two roots of the equation x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0 and alpha is greater than beta, then the equation with roots alpha plus beta and alpha beta minus beta is what? So primarily they say alpha and beta are the roots of this equation. So in the equation we will write once again 1x square minus 5 times x plus 6 equal to 0. Here it says a is 1, that is coefficient of x square, b is minus 5, that is coefficient of x, and then the constant, which is c. So some of the roots will be alpha plus beta, which is minus b divided by a, and that will be minus of minus 5 divided by 1, we get 5. Then product of the roots, which is alpha beta, that is c divided by a. C is 6, a is 1, so that is 6. Now, we need to find out the quadratic equation, which has got the roots alpha, beta plus alpha, this one. So, the required quadratic equation is x square minus sum of the roots x plus product of the roots equal to 0. So here some of the roots based on the new roots. So I will say based on the new roots given, some of the roots will be alpha beta plus beta plus alpha beta minus beta. That is what they give. Alpha beta plus beta, alpha beta minus alpha plus minus beta. So here this alpha minus alpha gets cancelled, beta minus beta gets cancelled. You get 2 times alpha beta. And we have the value of alpha beta as 6. So this will be 12. Next product of the roots will be alpha beta plus beta. This is one root. The other root can be written as alpha beta minus of alpha plus beta. Let me just change this to box brackets. So this is like a plus b into a minus b. We can write it as a square minus b square. So now we can substitute the values. So product of roots will be alpha beta. Alpha beta is 6 square minus alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is 5 square. And that is 36 minus 25, we get 11. Hence, the required quadratic equation is x square minus sum of the roots 12 times x plus product of the roots 11 equal to 0. So, which is that option? We'll check for the option minus 12x plus 11. That is minus 12x plus 11. Option A is the right option for this 15th question. Let us move on to the next 16th question. If alpha and beta be the two roots of the equation x square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0, then the value of alpha cube plus beta cube is what? We need to find alpha cube plus beta cube. We know a plus b, the whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So based on that, we can rewrite this as a plus b the whole cube minus 3ab times a plus b is equal to a cube plus b cube. That means I can write alpha cube plus beta cube as alpha plus beta the whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. So now they already gave us the roots are alpha plus beta. So sum of the roots is alpha plus beta, which is minus b by a. Here minus b is minus of minus 2, and then a is 1, so you get 2. Then product of the roots is alpha beta, and that is given as, that is actually c by a. Here c is negative 3, a is 1, so you get minus 3. So now we can find out alpha cube plus beta cube. Therefore, alpha cube plus beta cube will be what it is, alpha plus beta the whole cube minus 3 alpha beta times alpha plus beta. Substitute the values. Alpha plus beta is known to be 2. So it is 2 cube minus 3 times alpha into beta. Alpha into beta is negative 3. Alpha plus beta is 2. So we get 8 minus or minus plus 3 into 3, 9. 9 into 2, 18. So you get 26. The value of alpha cube plus beta cube is 26. That is the solution. Let us move on to the next one. If y is equal to 3 minus 2x, find dy by dx. So we can rewrite this y as 3 minus 2x power of minus 1. So when we find out first derivative, we will be applying chain rule. Means first we will be differentiating the whole thing, minus 1 times 3 minus 2x. Then we will go one step inside, that is differentiate this. If I differentiate 3, it is 0. If I differentiate minus 2x, it is minus 2. So we get minus 1 times 3 minus 2x into minus 2. That we will get 2 times, sorry, here it is minus, because x power n, if I differentiate, dy by dx will be n x power n minus 1. So here it will be minus 2. This will be minus 2. That means we get 2 divided by 3 minus 2x, the square. That will be the dy by dx here, which is option C. That is the right option. Next one, the cost of producing x units of a product is 300x minus 10x square plus 1 by 3x cube. Find the marginal cost. So marginal cost is the derivative of total cost. Means total cost is given as 300x minus 10x square plus 1 by 3 times x cube. So differentiating that, we get 300 into x. If I differentiate, it is 1 minus 10 times. If I differentiate x square, it is 2x. 1 by 3 is a constant. If I differentiate x cube, it is 3x square. So we get MC will be 300 minus 20x. 3 gets cancelled. You get only plus x square. So now this implies that marginal cost, when x is equal to 12 will be 300 minus 20 times 12 plus 12 square. So that will give you 300 minus 240 plus 144. Evaluating this is 60 plus 144. You get rupees 204. That will be the solution. Further problems, we'll do it in our next video.